Temu is one of the fastest-growing online marketplaces, attracting millions of buyers and thousands of sellers worldwide. Its quick global expansion and strong consumer base have created opportunities for software developers who want to help online merchants manage their stores more effectively. The Temu API also allows software developers to connect their software solutions to Temu's infrastructure, enabling real-time access to crucial store data such as products, orders, categories, shipments, and more. This connectivity supports the development of features that streamline daily operations for merchants, including automated product listing management, synchronization of stock levels, seamless order import and processing, tracking and updating shipment statuses. With these capabilities, software developers can save time, reduce errors, and improve customer satisfaction. From a technical standpoint, the Temu API is designed with developers in mind, offering endpoints that support secure and efficient data exchange. Proper authentication ensures data safety, while structured responses make it easier to process and synchronize information. This is particularly valuable for SaaS companies providing solutions in areas including order, shipping and inventory management, product information management, analytics, and marketing automation. Whether the goal is to provide merchants with a single dashboard for multi-channel sales or automate the flow of data between Temu and back-office systems, the API enables developers to deliver these functionalities without requiring manual data handling. The growing demand for integrated solutions in e-commerce means software developers who leverage the Temu API can gain a competitive edge. By providing users with seamless access to Temu's marketplace data, developers can differentiate their products, increase adoption, and expand their customer base. Temu API integration support gives them access to a growing international market and automates routine e-commerce operations. However, for software developers building e-commerce solutions, integrating with Temu API directly can be challenging. It requires handling complex API documentation, developing unique data mapping, and constantly maintaining updates when the marketplace changes its API. API 2Cart offers a unified API that connects software solutions with 60+ e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Temu, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Wix, Magento, WooCommerce, OpenCart, and others at once. Instead of developing and maintaining a separate custom Temu integration, developers can use API 2Cart to handle all store data, such as orders, products, categories, shipments, and more through a single connection. The main advantage is that API 2Cart continuously monitors and adapts to platform API changes on your behalf. This ensures your integration remains stable and functional without additional development resources every time Temu updates its API structure. Your team can focus on improving your core product, while API 2Cart handles the complexities of maintaining API connections. With API 2Cart, you can integrate your solution with Temu and dozens of other platforms through one unified API, saving development time and resources while expanding your market reach. Contact us today and explore how to integrate your e-commerce software with Temu API via API 2Cart easily. Test API 2Cart's functionality for robust and effective integration and get a 14-day free trial right now.